Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WORK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. So today was the first day of Slack's trading. Yesterday was its IPO. I know it wasn't really an IPO, but I'm just going to call it an IPO. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of these lines here. Yes, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made going forward is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into next week, 38.25, which was a very important level, and I talked about this quite a bit yesterday on Thursday. But when that failed, things got pretty nasty from there. But that'll be now the newest area of resistance. The near-term level of resistance, meaning in the if the price is going to have any chance at all of getting up there and doing battle with 38.25. 37.75 will be that first key level that needs to be broken. So one hurdle at a time, and those will be at 37.75, and then you can focus on 38.25. And then after that, you can focus on those higher levels. But there's no point in getting too far ahead of yourselves until the price can first prove itself in the nearer term, and once more, quote-unquote, prove itself being defined as that 37.75 mark. As far as where the buyers are at, sitting right here, and that's what makes this an interesting close because, it closed technically a little bit below there, but it's doing its best to hang right here around that $37 mark, give or take a little bit. But you can see quite a bit of history right around that area, including the final portion of the day. Yeah, you did get that little miniature flush down through there, but then the price bounced back very nicely and actually got the hammer candle right there. So a hammer candle right here at this area of support. There is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but anybody that uses charts, understands charts, none of them would be shocked if the price were to get some sort of bounce going into next week. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, so I'm not sitting here saying that for sure the price is bouncing, but it's at least a logical thought to have. It's at least a rational thought to have given, this candlestick of a hammer that formed here at the support. So we'll see if that can indeed play out. And like I said, if the bounce does occur, then let's see how it reacts around 37.75 and then 38.25. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.